Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to our latest Facebook show here in the Fox Tribe. I am Tina, and with me are our beautiful sugar babes, and they will introduce their names one by one while they turn on their cameras.
Okay, so hi, I'm Darlene or Bubbles. Who's next?
Hello, everybody. Yes, we would like to share. Hey there.
Hello, I am Zai.
Hello, I am Yasi.
Hello, beautiful ladies. And
hello, I'm Danny. No camera because I'm painting.
hello, Ate Jenny. And
hello, I'm Fanny.
Hi, Fanny. Where's your cam?
Oh, I can't.
Sige. Thank you.
That's surprising too.
Awesome. And we have nakamute ata si Hannah.
Hello, I'm Hannah.
Hello, Hannah. Ayan. So there's actually around 7 of us here in this call. Have everybody introduced themselves? No, awesome. Okay. So there's 7 of us in this call, 7 sugar babes. And what else is possible better than this? Nakatawa ko sa post there. So funny. And so what is the Sugar Babes all about? So this is a show that we launched because we have been seeing a lot of ladies showing up in the world right now. And yeah, and if you are here watching us and you're a lady, you just type, yes, you are one of us. We're just the ones doing the show for you, but you are actually a part of us. Diba? How does it get any better than this? So tonight, everybody will just, share what is a sugar babe for them, or how do you, I know we are out of definition naman talaga, out of control and out of limitations, but like, yeah, how, if you not naman consider yourself, so, but like, what is a sugar babe for you? So yun, that's our question for tonight. And one by one, they will give their inputs or whatever.
So, who goes first?
Shanier, go first.
Okay, sabak kay si Maggie. Hi, Maggie. So, si Maggie is also a sugar baby. So, what's a sugar babe? Kanang, you provide for your own. You just, kaning makaya na nimo masigway laki jay. Okay ra kayo ang life. So, ano siya. And, yeah. Saan pa ba? Basta, something that, sige, ako na lang ha, why I call myself as a sugar babe. Because, I'm sweet, of course. Hi. And, yes, and yeah, among istorya ni Tina, sugar babe. That's why it's suga, because it's suga, and suga is light, and you are light. So there, yes. You don't really need a sugar daddy to be happy. So you can actually give that to yourself. Provide for your own, add sweetness to your life on your own. Yes. Yeah, t-shirt pagid na sa money merch. Be your own sugar daddy. Sugar daddy ba to? Sugar baby? Oh yes, be your own sugar baby. So
Sugar baby.
dapat din mag-uniform ta atong t-shirt ni Hannah, be your own sugar baby.
We should have
kana.
Welcome to the
So,
show.
kato siya. So, naingon naman ako, tanan niya. A sugar baby for me is someone who provides for their own, adds sweetness to their life on their own. I'm not saying that you don't need people na to contribute to you. Of course, you allow people to contribute to you. But what if you contribute to yourself first?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What else is possible?
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you for that. So anybody else would like to add to that? Just unmute yourself and have your own voice be heard tonight.
Yeah. Mag-game pa ako. A sugar babe, for me, it's actually the same as sabi ni Ma'am Shi. But how I defined it ever since is making things happen for myself. It's right that you don't depend on anyone or wait for anyone to make things happen for you, but you go girl and you do it for yourself. You want to travel, you save and fill in that travel fund for yourself. You can travel alone. So no need for permission or not waiting for other people to join you, but just doing it for yourself. Not waiting for anyone to accompany you, but being independent enough to provide for yourself and have fun as well for yourself. And if there are moments that you experience setbacks, you find a way, even if how slow it is, to empower yourself back. And then someone who just keeps on creating and having fun and discovering their child. That's it.
Wow, that is very beautiful about not waiting for anyone. Because a lot of us, how many of you in the audience right now, you wait for someone to show up before you create yourself, So this is why we created also the Sugar Babes. So thank you, Ate Jenny, for those beautiful additions about what is a Sugar Babe and what it is for you. So yeah, before we go to our next sharer, let's just have our beautiful Sugar Babe from down and under. So, from down under, Ate Pangging, where are you? Hello there. Ate Pangging just went on.
Down under. From Australia.
Hello. I'm still driving home.
Oh, driving home.
Yay.
Right.
She's driving
Hello,
her.
the Sugar Babes. How's everyone?
We're doing awesome. Sige, drive first there. Drive to your destination.
Yeah. I will. I need to.
That's
driving.
a sugat, babe. That's a sugat, babe.
Sugat, babe.
Sugat, babe.
What sugat, babe? So, our audience are what? Filipinos? Or no?
Tagalog, pwede din tayo pero we have foreigners, I think. Yeah.
Okay, Tagalog lang.
Pwede din. Maaari kang magsalita sa ating wikang Tagalog.
Pwede din naman Australian. Pwede Australian.
No, I don't have the Australian accent pa. Just a little lang.
Sige. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, who would like to share next about what is a Sugar Babe for you? Just unmute yourself.
Sige. Ako na. So, I consider myself a sugar babe. Sugar babe. Because I just do and create things not because I need to or I want to please anyone or I want to beg for anyone's love, but I'm doing and creating things just because it's fun. So that's how sweet I am. And I'll be sweet to you if I feel like being sweet. Pero, ako ni isa dali ako, sige, tara sa ako. Charot. Sige. Mo lang yata ito kung madungag. Tama ba?
Nice, Ate Yas. I like it. Like, I can be sweet to you. So I think that's a very beautiful thing about being willing to be all energies in this, like, yeah. That's a sugar babe. Also being willing to be all energies, not just sweet, but everything spicy if you need to, if they require that. So thank you, Ate Yas. And for all of our audience who are watching right now, you can also type in what is a sugar babe for you? Like, how do you identify yourself with this? Like, yeah, what is it? How do you empower yourself to create more? How are you empowering yourself to create more? So you can type it down and we will just, include it in our session. So yeah, who's next? Darlene?
For me, mag-Bisaya na ako eh. Para sa ako, sugar babe or asuga babe is someone who kay saan ba? Wala ko baloon sa akong points of views of men and women. So sugar babe for me is nag-explore ko where I am, but currently ako ang space is not waiting for anyone. So I didn't know I had that like point of view. So the sugar babes with the other sugar babes, I'm also learning a lot from them and what space they are in, and kato so I think that's what sugar babes is for me, not waiting for anyone that may be or anything or myself mostly the person I keep waiting for the future me. So I'm just realizing that now while I'm talking that I'm actually waiting for the future me when I can create myself now. I'm doing this live. So yeah, so awesome to be in the space of this awesome people who are creating themselves now. And hi to Ate Don and to Jabez and to our kadula in Eternal Love. So yeah, thank you. I think that's my what sugar babe is for me.
Wow, thank you, Darlene, for sharing that about creating your future now. Like why should we wait for our future selves when we can create it now? So yeah, what are you waiting for? No, so thank you for adding that. And yes, so amo din kadula sa Eternal Love si Rod na siya, si Rod. Hello Rod. Ayan, how does it get any better than this? And of course, Jabez, Don, Ate Olive who are watching us also, and yeah, Vanessa who are also on their own a sugar babe. So you can type down your answer. What is a sugar babe for you? So next we have our next sharer who would like to share. Just unmute yourself.
Ako na ba? Char.
Sige, go.
Hi! Ay, nagsabay pa ta, fan. Una na ka.
Nagsabay pag mag-mute. Kinsay mauna. Sige lang.
Ikaw na, Day. Okay, sige. Nagsabay pag yun. Anyway, a sugar babe for me is someone who is an embodiment of their being, diba? So what I figured out with feminine energy or with women is that ato ang softness, our gentleness creates a community and a contribution to the community. So that is something na I am looking into embodying as well, na It doesn't have to be really harsh and quick energy. It can be soft. And even with that softness, things can change. So, moto siya. That's it for me.
Wow, thank you for adding that, Hannah. Kasi it's really, diba, some people say, they have this comment about women who are creating, and they have this comment na women with balls. Yeah, like, but it doesn't mean that when we are creating, we have to be like that as at the same time. We are also creating in our softness and in our gentleness, and that could also create more. So it's really merely recognizing the divine feminine energies, not masking the masculine into the feminine form. Because sometimes some people, they see it as aggressive and all of that, and it's still on that take. And so thank you for adding that part. Thank you, Hannah. Love it, love it. Awesome. Then we have Fanny.
Hi, good evening. O, diba, naka-outfit ko. I'm so formal, no? Diba? Anyway, I think being a sugar babe means a contribution at the same time, being true to yourself. And kay mauna ang mapansin na mo lately, and being true to yourself is really a kind thing. And co-creating as well, and doesn't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck here, people. So yeah, sorry for that word, but yeah, ana good na siya, no? Ang sugar babes, dili mi nagapa, maybe pabebe mi usahay, but you know, we are co-creating, we are contributing to each other at the same time. We are being true to ourselves and true to others, whether they like it or they want to receive it or not. We're just being ourselves, and that's it. Thank you so much.
Wow, I love it about not caring or giving a fuck about what other people say, because most of the time we as women, we kind of mute ourselves, because if we say something, what if they tell me or they judge me something different, like ay di ko to gawin kasi baka i-judge nila ako as this, you know. Yeah, but then you are the only one who knows yourself. And so being a sugar babe is like owning yourself at the same time without muting yourself. So I think that's the thing. Thank you for adding that, Fanny, about, you know, doing whatever, no matter what people will say. Ayan. And thank you for that. And of course, we have Ate Pangging, who will share what is a sugar babe for her while she's driving. But of course, pwede ra po dili if it can disturb you or unsa ba.
Yeah, I'm almost home. So while listening, no, sugar babes are very strong individuals. Makuratan man sadda kanang pataka-taka lang ko sa dugdong ko unsa man di ay ni nga adiri ko kanang wala gyud ko na orient nga mga ani-ani di ay mga sugar babe ana ba kay go lang ko nang go. So sugar babes are like that, go lang nang go, but sometimes we know how to discern when to stop as well. So we are giving people, but sometimes we discern when not to give too much. So it's like that. We know how and when to go with the flow, and it's just like we are rich in wisdom because we are individuals with very unique life experiences as well. So we're kind of shallow to laugh, but we are kind of deep inside individuals. So Amazonian. So that's a sugar babe for me. Sweet and spicy.
Wow, I love that addition, no, about just knowing when to go and knowing when to stop. No, this is also very beautiful because sometimes, yeah, there's also wisdom to that. and the knowing that comes with when to start and when to just stop, because there are some things na you're pushing and it's not really working, or yeah, or you're trying to please other people. I think that's where her ano is about, when to stop, not to please, in a sense na is what I am doing pleasing other people, or doing, are we doing this or to prove, or are we being, so something like that. So when to know you are just being, and when to know when kung ano makabalupod ka nga, you're already doing things out of proving. And sometimes it doesn't mean you're a sugar babe, you're perfect, like you can't make mistakes and all of that. It's a sugar babes because yeah. We make mistakes and we don't get stuck in that mistake, but we choose differently after a certain mistake. So we just choose differently. And so yeah, thank you Ate Pangging for adding that. And also just being, yeah, sige.
Yeah, you're welcome, I said. Sorry.
You're welcome, okay? Abi na ko na addition. So, yeah, for being open. Gingo lang ako na ko siya ha sa Sugar Babe. Ano ko, tepang, dali kayo, ano ka. Ako, live ba yan niya?
Wala ko mabasa. Wala yun na. Kita lang ko Zoom kung saan nasa niya. Kabalo ko na kay message sa ubos. Wala na ko gibasa kay drive.
That's the Sugar Babe. Just know
That's the spirit of Sugar Babe.
It's like, Sugar Babe is like with your friends, you're just confident that whatever they want you to do or inviting you to whatever it is, go lang ka. You trust your friends, you trust them.
Thank you for trusting.
Balik, Dash.
That's really part of the 5 elements of intimacy. Numero 1, trust. So thank you for trusting. So yeah. Awesome. Thank you Ate Pangging for adding that. And below, maybe Darlene or Zai could read the comments para your voice could read the comments if you're watching the Facebook live in Fox Tribe. There are
si Darlene siguro.
Darlene.
Ay, yung ano.
Oh, okay. Okay, nag-reply sa Ate Vanene. Risede Maclear? Okay. So, ang Sugar Babe for her is sweet and happy as she is, true to her being, can be good for you or can be diabetes inducing. So, Ate Dawn also shared her definition of what a suga babe is. A suga babe is like a diamond, precious and rare. And another from Ate Vanene, Sugar Babes is made out of sugar, spice, and everything nice. So what else is possible? And also I kind of replied also, reimagining, recreating strong, independent women. Ang label, I mean.
Yes, that is also very beautiful. Nice daw.
Diabetes.
Nice. So thank you for all your comments. That is very helpful in co-creating this beautiful show, the Sugar Babe. So one of these days we will just invite you as well. So for tonight, marami kami, but on the next sessions or episode, they will be just around 2 to 3, no, na Sugar Babes, and we will invite other Sugar Babes, who are creating there in the world that we can draw inspiration from. I know we don't need motivation because here in the Fox Tribe, we don't really motivate you, but we're just here to give you different stories, like, yeah, what if we could just inspire everybody to be great, to be this. Zai shared something from one of the foundation manuals, right? What if we could be the embodiment of consciousness, so that people will be inspired to be more. So, or to be more. So we're here to just, show you that we can be too much. Like, people will judge you for being too much. I think sugar babes are these women who are always judged as too much. You're too much of this, you're too much of that. And if you have been judged as that, so maybe you're one of us. So you just like, hello sa inyo. And what if you're not too much, but you're actually offering the world a different possibility? And that possibility is something that you can use to inspire other women or other ladies to create more. And so that's the essence of this Sugar Babes. It's to allow women to come out, to come out, di ba? Hindi lang men mag-come out. But we are in a very unique century. You know, as a woman, you are born in a century where women are destined to lead. Okay, so wag na tayo magtago-tago kasi babae ako, ganyan-ganyan. So we are in an era now that women are actually in the front line. So enough na tayo na dapat ang lalaki ay ganito or ganyan sa atin. Let's stop waiting because maybe many of you like me, I can say, I can only talk about myself. I used to wait, like, you know, I don't want to be great because, you know, if I'm so great, what if no one will like me anymore? So if you are like that, so stop it, because, you know, women are really designed to lead this century or this era, and we cannot change that. This is something that we have been asking for, and now we're here. So let's not wait for any man or anyone. So no more waiting, just create and be more. And how that shows up is gonna be entirely unique and different for you. And we will be honoring of that, meaning we will recognize that, whatever that is for you. So if you think it's small or it's big, hindi naman talaga tayo dito sa big changes right away. It can be as simple as taking that small step. So we recognize that. So ayun, what else is possible? So thank you, everybody. Thank you, our beautiful Sugar Babes who are on this call right now, who just, you know, actually, everybody here don't have any idea. Charot lang, kung sa ginamong istorya, wala man dyan may idea. As always, wala ganang idea, wala mi ka ng outline. We don't have an outline ka ng, huy Zai, ikaw ang sunod mag-speak ha. Wala gud mi ana. And that's the way we create our Facebook lives. So sometimes you can see us, because we want it to be really authentic, like unsang nasa utok, wala mi naga-prepare. Okay? In a way, we don't prepare, like really prepare for weeks for something. We just, yes, kung kay Hana pa, maybe Hana would like to say that.
Go Han.
Go Han. I like that. You're on mute.
Pang-practice siya for stepping up and showing up. So, of course, if there are times na if naka-schedule gid siya, 'di ba? Will you show up even if kanang, 'di ba? Wala ka kabalo ko sa imong buhaton. Pang-practice of follow the energy.
Yeah, so true. Tama jud na kay Hana. It's really practicing following the energy, because again, kung sa A Course in Miracles pa, let's bring what we learned in A Course in Miracles. A healed mind doesn't plan. So we have like a scheduled date, but wala tayo talagang outline. That's how we create. And Zai has something to add to that.
Yes, follow the energy. You know, sugar is energy. And we are water. So sa access bars, we need
sugar, salt,
and water.
Sugar rush.
Yeah,
Sugar rush.
Awesome. Well, I love the conversation and everything about what is a sugar babe and how we empower ladies to create more. And so if you resonate with this, follow us on Fox Tribe. And follow also the Facebook pages of all our beautiful ladies here. They all have their own Facebook page. Ate Jenny is Glow Up by Jen Puri. Darlene Suelto is Bubbles. Zai Chan is Mama Zai. Yas Fabricante is Gypsy Mermaid. And later we will be posting it sa baba. Fanny Rodriguez is Miss Prue, right? Or in Instagram. Wala pa. Creating, I think, creating. And we will just promote that. And Hana Alnuaimi is Money Mer. Church. And Ate Pangging is also under construction.
Under renovation.
Under renovation. So, unsa pa ba? So, thank you kaayo sa pagtanaw sa amoa karon. We really honor and appreciate you, and show up, and also acknowledging all the ladies in this call and the sugar babes in this call for showing up, for being you, and for doing whatever it takes to be you. And I really honor you. I see your growth and your kanang possibilities, and at the same time how you have really parang ang mga experience kay from glory to glory. It's not small, but glory to glory, as we overcome everything, all the challenges that we made up in our mind. Ato asyang gina-destroy and uncreate. So thank you for being with us in this journey, and awesome co-creating with you. And what else is possible with this? What can we create? And what fun and magic can we create with this? And thank you. Blessings to everybody. How does it get any better than this? And see you next week or anywhere, any Friday na mag-show up may maraming kabute. So see ya.
Yay! See you.
Thank you everybody.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
And tomorrow for Global Bars Day.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Let's win our bars.
So we will see each other tomorrow. Get any better than this?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.